What up guys, we're Carmel here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install some LED headlights. So I bought these on Amazon, around 60 bucks. Let me open them real quick. I like them, they're really good. They look good. As you see, it's already ready for me, for my car. All I gotta do is just plug it in. So these are really important. You want to make sure they're for your car. So if you see in your owner's manual, you'll see that they're HB11s, HB12s, or whatever size headlights that you guys need. So this kit actually came with the two low beams and the two high beams. I think for my high beams are HB3s, for my low beams are HB4s. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and install. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and put them on. Alright guys, so the headlights are already changing up being on the Civic. So these are the low beams, these are the high beams. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is taking out this side. So we're going to have to take this thing. It has two screws right here and a little clamp right here. Alright, taking that off. We'll take this one off just by pulling up. Bam. Gives us more space to put our hands in to get the LED bulbs. This one right here, this one like somewhere around here. Actually, take it off. Bam. Right there. First bulb. So these, like I said, this is going to be for the HD4. Sorry, HB4. This is the new one. What we do is pop this one back in. This one back in like normal. Alright, there you go. We got one in. A little struggle, but no big deal. Now the problem is to take this one out. This one's really went in. Try to put my hand in there. See? Alright guys, so what I did is take out the battery. I couldn't put my hand inside. I did test this one, make sure it did work. So it did work. So let's go ahead and change this one now. And the good thing is this will gives us a better look. And I'm putting it in. Alright, old one. New one. So these are look way nicer and easy to install. I'll put a link in the description where I got them. I got them on Amazon. But if you have a Honda Civic, these will be good for your car. This went in easier. Alright. Let's go ahead and put everything back together. Okay. Let me take this. Dang, never took my battery out since I bought it. The kit did come with some zip ties. So I'm gonna do is zip tie all this together. That way it's not shaking around or anything. See guys, the new LEDs, high beams, low beams. It's like an old one. The new ones look way better. Alright, let's go ahead and change these now. Okay guys, taking these will be a bit difficult. So what we gotta do is probably open this little thing right here. Got it out, a little clip. Take this water pump out. Place it somewhere. Let's go ahead and turn the lights real quick. So, taking out the high beams won't be that difficult. But I'm gonna wait a little bit just because it is hot. Just since I just turned it off. The low beams, on the other hand, will be a little difficult to take off. Right there will be a good spot to put my hand in. Able to take it out, so I'm gonna wait a little bit for that one because it's hot. Alright, let's take this one out. High beam. That was the old one. New one. Perfectly. I'll let this thing right here sit right there. Now, taking off this one, I believe it's going to be a little bit of a struggle. If we could just get fingers in there, that would be great. Sorry for the wind, guys. Started picking up just a minute ago. Alright, got it out. Put the new one in. See if it's easier to put it in. I don't think so, but we'll see. Good now, so let me go ahead and clean all this mess and then we'll see how they look from the outside. Alright guys, so this is how they look. These are the low beams and this is with the high beams. Alright guys, so that's a wrap of the video. In the descriptions below, I'm gonna go ahead and put different kinds of LED lights for your cars, either it's LB4s or anything. go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with one of your friends who need them.